Here's Digby with his present.
Smacker.
What a good puppy.
Smacker.
Oh, cool. What flavor is it?
But they used to be like the actual brand. So
I can't see your face.
See what you do with
There. Oh, okay. It's A&W root beer. It's going to taste like root beer.
And you lick it and then you dip it in the potty.
What's that? Sour?
Explain that toy again. What is that?
Is that sour?
See, unwrap the little unwrapper on there.
Yeah.
And you open up the potty and you dip it in the potty.
Oh,
And
nice.
then you
That's
lick it off.
really special.
What's in there?
It's
Salt?
sugar.
Salt? That would be awful, wouldn't it?
I think it's toilet bowl cleaner. Look.
I'm going to save it.
It's all blue. It's like bleach.
Let me see that.
I don't know. It's brown and
Look what
blue.
I got.
Oh, yeah. So, Ethan, are you a little bit excited about Christmas?
Yes.
What did you say? You said you were a good listener? You got presents because you're a good listener?
Yes.
Yes.
Present.
Beside himself.
Why are you recording these every Christmas?
Because this is a marker of our family. This is us being together at Christmas.
Whose is this?
Those are mine. Those are just socks of mine.
Oh, those-
Yeah, not very exciting. All right, we'll check in later.